Hi all, today I will be explaining Stack Navigator, which is used for the transition between different screens in our app. First we need to create a sample application. For that, type expo space init space name of the application. In my case, sample underscore navigation underscore app. So it will take some time to create. If you want a blank template, press enter. Go inside the application. For that, type cd space name of the application. Then type npm install this package ereact-navigation /native stack. So this package is needed for Stack Navigator. To launch the application, type npm start and press enter. You will get a QR code. You can host the application in your phone or open in web browser. For more details, go to my previous tutorial videos. Open Visual Studio Code, open folder and select the application that we have created just now. We need to create two screens, main screen and home screen, to show the demonstration of navigation between different screens. For that, create a folder inside our application folder. Give the name screens, and inside the folder screens, create two JavaScript files, MainScreen.js and HomeScreen.js. I will provide a plugin of Visual Studio in description box. By installing that, you will be able to get like this React Native functional component by typing rnf. So take both screens and type rnf. You will get a default functional screen. Just change the text to identify between the screens. So now we have the app.js and two other screens. Go to this page, copy the imports for navigation container, create native stack navigator and create a constant stack. Also copy the things inside navigation container. In our case, we have two pages, home screen and main screen. So inside stack.screen, we need to provide some name. In the first stack.screen, give name as home and component as home screen. And in second stack.screen, give name as main and component as main screen. Stack Navigator has to redirect to the home page initially, so that give initial route name as home screen. Add import for main screen and home screen like this. To get the suggestions after .. press on Ctrl and space. Then save. Corresponding change will be reflected. So it will be automatically redirected to the home screen. Next, we need to provide some button to navigate to main screen. Open image background page. I will provide the link in description box. Copy the image background and paste in import from React Native. And then also copy the set of commands for making the images background and paste inside return of the home screen. Also copy paste the styles, changing the text as home page to identify between the pages. We need an image. Create a folder images inside the application that we have created, sample underscore navigation underscore app. Open the folder and save an image inside the folder. I am saving as img.jpg. Type require and the location of the image. That should be given as the source for image background. So required inside the single quotes / control space for getting suggestions, select images and / name of the image file. So when we save, the corresponding change will be reflected. The image that we have selected is now the background for the application. Similarly, we can modify the main screen also. Changing the text of the home page to welcome. Next we need to provide a button to navigate to the main screen. For that use button tag. First import button and then type button title equal to the text to be displayed on the button. Go to main page. Close the button tag. If we save, the corresponding change will be reflected in our application. When we click on the button, a function should be called. So, on press equal to inside curly braces, type the name of the function, that is main page. So, define the function using let main page equal to bracket open bracket close equal to greater than curly braces. Inside the curly braces, define the things that should be there inside the function. So, our requirement is to navigate to the main page. So, inside export default function home screen, give the parameter navigation inside curly braces and using the object navigation dot navigate, then provide the name for the screen. The name that we have defined in app.js for the main screen is main. So, give the name main inside navigation.navigate. So, we are able to successfully navigate from home page to main screen. Next, we can make changes for the main screen. Paste image background and then paste the code for getting images background. You can copy from homescreen.js. Also copy the styles. To identify between the screens, just change the text. Also import the required things. Then inside the main screen, give the parameter navigation inside curly braces and also change the text welcome to main page to identify the pages. Also changing the button title to go to home page. Save, you will be able to see the changes. So you can see that when we click on go to main page, it is redirected to main page and from main page it is redirected back to welcome page. Thanks for watching.